Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet mobile cover like this. Okay, I did the strap like this. uh, Let me show you how to crochet it. Okay, we are going to make chain 14 chain. I'm going to make for this size. Make sure you measure the size. So you measure this size like this, so you will get how many chain you do that chain. So I'm going to do 14. Okay, done 14 chain. So I'm going to make one more chain for turning. So now I'm going to make one single crochet till the last one. I'm going to increase. Okay, now the last chain I'm going to increase with 4 single crochet. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the balance with turning, then we are going to make one single crochet till the last one. We will increase. So we are in the last one. We make increase 2 single crochet, then we are going to slip stitch with the first one. Okay, once complete this, we are going to make 3 chain. 3 chain equal to 1 double crochet. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in next 2 stitch. Then we are going to make 2 chain. We skip 2 stitches. We are going to make 1 double crochet in 3 stitches. We are going to repeat this all around. Okay, like this. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, skip 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, skip 2. We are going to come all around. Okay, we complete all around. So now slip stitch with the first one. Now I'm going to show you at the end. I'm not going to make any chain or what. I'm going to slip stitch into the middle of double crochet. We did 3, isn't it? So in the second one, we are going to slip stitch over there. Then from there, we are going to make 1 cell stitch, 5 double crochet in the chain space. Then we are going to single crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochet. We are going to repeat this all around. Okay, repeat this. Okay, we finish all around. Now we are going to slip stitch here. One slip stitch. Can see. Now we are going to slip stitch to the, we are going to skip first double crochet. We are going to the second double crochet. So I'm going to slip stitch to the second double crochet. Then from here I'm going to make 3 chain. This is the, actually this is the secret. Sometimes we don't want our stitches to be look weird over there, so we will be slip stitch, so the stitches in the end look neat. So now I'm going to make 2 chain, skip 1 double crochet, then 3 double crochet in the next this one, next 3 stitches, see, like this. So I did slip stitch here. So next, when we come to next round, we will with 2 chain join here. Join here, we will slip stitch to the middle, then from there we will do the sail stitch. 2 chain, skip 1 double crochet, then we go to the second one, 1 double crochet, and the next and the next. We will have 3 double crochet on top of the shell. Okay, repeat this. Okay, in the end we are going to join here after 2 chain. Then we are going to make 1 slip stitch to the middle of the double crochet. Then we are going to make 1 shell in the, so the stitches will be, the joining will be invisible. It won't be, you can't see the stitches where it start and where it's end. Okay, it will be invisible when you do slip stitch. So we are going to repeat these 2 rows continuously till the required length. Then we can do, from there we can do straps or anything you wanted to do. Okay, keep on doing this till the required length. Keep on doing. So you see now the shell is, we are in the here, next shell will be here. So you can't, the end and the joining, it will be invisible if you did slip stitch. If you don't want to do slip stitch, you need to do chain and go for next row. Okay, this is the secret of invisible stitches. Okay, I completed. So now I'm going to do finishing. Okay, from here I want to do 1 row of single crochet. If you are not interested in doing that, also can. So I'm doing 1 row of single crochet. Okay, complete single crochet, cut off the yarn. Okay, now we can do some kind of strap over here, then bring it front and put a button. Okay, I did double crochet here, see. Then the last row I did 2, then I put 1 chain, skip 1 because I want to put the button over here like that. I stitch the button here. Okay, complete. You see, I put button here because just now I give 1 space, isn't it? So I put button to This one. Now you see, if you want strap, you can do another strap to hold like this, or either you can like ready-made straps like this. You can put it here also. Okay, done like this. See, nice. Okay, I hope you will give a try also. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.